Welcome. This is my home. This is where my family lives. Our top priority is good health. And in our pursuit of good health, there is no denying the importance of fresh, clean, pure air. In fact, we believe we are what you breathe. But no matter how hard you try, pollutants and dust particles will find their way into your home, polluting the air you breathe, breeding germs, adversely affecting the quality of your life. And that's where I come in. I am Electrolux Vita, and I am the air keeper of this house. I ensure that the air my family breathes is cool, fresh, and healthy. Active Pure, a unique and advanced 8-step air filtration system, eliminates 99% of certain bacteria for cleaner, healthier air. The HD filter captures the smallest of dust particles and traps the allergy-causing bacteria. The highly specialized 3M high airflow filter renders the microbes inactive. The 4-in-1 air filter removes mold, bacteria, allergens, and viruses. The active plasma generator releases plasma, which helps to eliminate bacteria, dust, and other harmful agents in the air. And finally, the Gold-Tech protection serves as an anti-corrosive fin, thus completing my 8 steps to clean and healthy air. Providing my family with clean, healthy air is not my only focus. I also ensure they get the utmost comfort, even when they're not at home. With the Wi-Fi feature, my family can effortlessly power me up anywhere, anytime, anyhow with the Electrolux Air Control app. And I ensure they walk into a home that's cooled to the temperature they want. My sleek and elegant, award-winning design gives me pride of place in the family. Live the Electrolux Vita life.